Without expanding the determinant, prove that. Without expanding the determinant, prove that determinant of s a squared b squared plus c squared s b squared c squared plus a squared s c squared a squared plus b squared is equal to 0. So without expanding the determinant, prove that this determinant is equal to 0. So without expanding the determinant means we have to use the properties. We have to use the properties or elementary operations. Solution. Let us consider the given determinant. The given determinant is determinant of s a squared b squared plus c squared s b squared c squared plus a squared s c squared a squared plus b squared. From this determinant, the first column, all the elements are same. Yes. So we can take s as the common element from the determinant. So the determinant is equal to s into determinant of 1 a squared b squared plus c squared 1 b squared c squared plus a squared 1 c squared a squared plus b squared, which is equal to s into determinant of the first column and second column. There is no changes in first column and second column. Third column, so C3 tends to C3 plus C2. That is, we are adding C2 and C3. C3 tends to C3 plus C2. We are adding C3 and C2. So first column as it is 1, 1, 1. Second column A squared, B squared, C squared as it is. Third column B squared plus C squared plus A squared. So we have write in the order A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Next C squared plus A squared plus B squared. That is A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Next A squared plus B squared plus C squared. A squared plus B squared plus C squared, which is equal to. So in this determinant, first column, second column there is no changes. In third column, all the three elements are same elements. A squared plus B squared plus C squared. So we can take A squared plus B squared plus C squared as a common element. So taking outside of the determinant, which is equal to, already we are having s into A squared plus B squared plus C squared into determinant of first column 1, 1, 1. Second column A squared, B squared, C squared. Third column 1, 1, 1. So which is equal to s into A squared plus B squared plus C squared into the value of this determinant is equal to 0. Since C1 and C2 are identical. C1 and C2 are identical. By the property, in a determinant, any two rows or columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Once again, the property is, in a determinant, any two rows or any two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. So in this determinant, first column and third column are identical. First column and third column are identical. So therefore the value of this determinant is equal to 0. So s into A square plus B square plus C squared into 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. Therefore the determinant of s A squared B squared plus C squared s B squared C squared plus A squared s C squared A squared plus B squared is equal to 0. So therefore value of this determinant is equal to 0. Next question number 2. Show that determinant of B plus C, BC, B squared C squared, C plus A, CA, C squared A squared, A plus B, AB, A squared B squared is equal to 0. Now we have to prove that the value of this determinant is equal to 0. So solution, let us consider the given determinant. The determinant is B plus C, BC, B squared C squared, C plus A, CA, C squared A squared, A plus B, AB, a squared b squared. Now we have to prove that the value of this determinant is equal to 0. Okay. Now we are going to multiply r1 by a. So first row is multiplied by a. So if we are multiplying by any variable, then we can divide the same variable. So r1 is multiply and divide by a. r1 is multiplied and divided by a. So we are taking multiply, the term is inside of the determinant, and the divided term is taking outside of the determinant. So 1 by a into multiply and divide by a. So divided term is taking outside of the determinant, 1 by a into multiply term is get inside of the determinant, that is a into b plus c, a b c, a b squared c squared, a into b plus c, a b c, a into b squared c squared. First row. Next second row. r2 is multiplied and divided by b. So multiplying term is get inside of the determinant, divided term is get outside of the determinant, that is 1 by b into second row, b into c plus a, bca, that is abc, b into c squared a squared, that is a squared b c squared. Next r3. r3 is multiplied and divided by c. So multiplied term is get inside of the determinant, divided term is taking outside of the determinant, that is 1 by c into third row, c into a plus b, a b c, a square b square c. So therefore which is equal to 1 by a b c into, so divide by a, divide by b, divide by c, that is 1 by a into 1 by b into 1 by c is 1 by a b c into determinant of a into b plus c, a b c, a b square c squared, b into c plus a b c, a squared b c squared, c into a plus b, a b c, a squared b squared c. So which is equal to, from this a into b plus c is ab plus ac. Next b into, so bc plus ab. Next c into a plus b is ac plus bc. Next second column abc, abc, abc. All the three elements are common. So taking abc as the common element from the determinant. So abc taking outside, abc into. Next third column a b squared c squared, a squared b c squared, a squared b squared c. So from this C3 we can take ABC as the common element. Since a b squared c squared, a squared b c squared, a squared b squared c. So we are taking ABC as the common element from the C3. So taking outside of the determinant, ABC into remaining, we are taking ABC as the common. So A into B into C, remaining is BC. Next A into B into C is taking outside, AC. So remaining AC. Next ABC is taking outside, remaining is A into B. So therefore ABC into ABC by ABC into determinant of AB plus AC, BC plus AB, AC plus BC, second column 1, 1, 1. Third column BC, AC, AB. Next from this ABC, ABC is cancelled, remaining ABC into the determinant of. We are adding C1 and C3. C1 tends to C1 plus C3. So C1 plus C3. C1 tends to C1 plus C3. So therefore C1 becomes AB plus BC plus AC. We are arranging our convenient AB plus BC plus AC. Next element BC plus AB plus AC, that is AB plus BC plus AC. Next third element AC plus BC plus AB, that is AB. Third element is AC plus BC plus AB, that is AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. Next one AB. So which is equal to, therefore the determinant is equal to ABC into determinant of AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC, 1, 1, 1, BC, AC, AB. So in this determinant, AB plus BC plus AC, in C1, all the three elements are same elements. So we can take AB plus BC plus AC as the common element. So we can take AB plus BC plus AC taking outside of the determinant. So which is equal to ABC into AB plus BC plus CA into determinant of 1, 1, 1. We can take AB plus BC plus C as the common element from the determinant. So the remaining is 1, 1, 1. So first column C1 is 1, 1, 1. C2 as it is 1, 1, 1. C3 BC CA AB. So which is equal to ABC into AB plus BC plus CA into, in this determinant, C1 and C2 are identical. C1 and C2 are identical. So therefore the value of this determinant is equal to 0 by the property. By the property, in a determinant, any two rows or any two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. Once again, the property is, in a determinant, any two rows or any two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. So which is equal to ABC into AB plus BC plus CA into 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. So therefore, determinant of B plus C, BC, B square, C square, C plus A, CA, C square, A square, A plus B, AB, A square, B square is equal to 0. Next, question number 3. Prove that determinant of A square, BC, AC plus C square, A square plus AB, B square, AC, AB, B square plus BC, C squared is equal to 4 A squared, B squared, C squared. So we have to prove that the value of this determinant is equal to 4 A squared, B squared, C squared. Solution. Let us consider the given determinant. The determinant is determinant of A squared, BC, AC plus C squared, A squared plus AB, B squared, AC, AB, B squared plus BC, C squared. Now to find the value of this determinant, that is 4A squared, B squared, C squared. So which is equal to, now we are using elementary row operation. First R1 tends to R1 minus R2 minus R3. R1, where R1 is A squared, BC, AC plus C squared, minus R2. Minus R2 is minus A squared, minus AB, minus B squared, minus AC. Next, minus R3. Minus R3 is minus AB, minus B squared, minus BC, minus C squared. R1 minus R2 minus R3. So R1 minus R2 minus R3 is, here plus A squared, here minus A squared cancel. Minus AB minus AB minus 2AB. Next, BC minus B squared minus B squared minus BC plus BC minus BC cancelled. Minus B squared minus B squared minus 2B squared minus 2B squared. Next, AC plus C squared minus AC minus C squared. So plus AC minus AC plus C squared minus C squared cancelled. So 0. So therefore R1 minus R2 minus R3 is minus 2AB minus 2B squared 0. So therefore the determinant becomes determinant of minus 2AB minus 2B squared 0. Remaining R2 and R3, there is no changes in R2 and R3. A square plus AB, B squared, AC, AB, B squared plus BC, C squared. From this determinant, in R1, where 2 is the common element. So here minus 2AB, minus 2B squared, here 0. So we can take 2 as the common element. So taking 2 as the common element, taking outside of the determinant, which is equal to 2 into determinant of minus AB minus B squared 0, A squared plus AB, B squared, AC, AB, B squared plus BC, C squared, which is equal to 2 into determinant of, this determinant is R2 tends to R2 plus R1, R3 tends to R3 plus R1. The last determinant is determinant of 2 into determinant of minus AB minus B square 0, A squared plus AB, B squared AC. Next AB, B square plus BC, C squared. The last determinant is, from this determinant, we have changes in R2 and R3. R2 tends to R2 plus R1, where R2 is A squared plus AB, B squared AC, R2. R1 is minus AB minus B squared 0. So R2 plus R1 is here A squared plus AB minus AB. So these two terms cancelled. A squared. Next B squared minus B squared. So the answer is 0. AC plus 0 is AC. Next R3 tends to R3 plus R1. So R3 is AB, B squared plus BC, C squared. R1 is minus AB minus B squared 0. R3 tends to R3 plus R1, that is plus AB minus AB cancelled, so 0. Plus B square minus B square cancelled, plus BC only, so BC. Next C square plus 0 is C square. So therefore the determinant becomes 2 into determinant of minus AB minus B squared 0, A squared 0, AC 0, BC C squared, where R2 tends to R2 plus R1, R3 tends to R3 plus R1. So now we are going to find the value of this determinant, which is equal to 2 into expanding by R1. So expanding by R1, first element minus AB. So minus AB into, it is in first row, first column. Eliminating first row, first column, we get the determinant of 0, AC, BC, C squared. Minus, next element is minus B squared. So the element is in first row, second column. Minus B squared into determinant of A squared, AC, 0, C squared. Plus the next element is 0, 0 into anything is 0, so as it is 0, which is equal to 2 into minus AB. The value of this determinant is product of main diagonal minus product of subdiagonal. So 0 into C squared is 0 minus AC into BC, so ABC squared. AC into BC is ABC squared. Next minus of minus plus B squared into value of this determinant is A squared into C squared is A squared C squared minus 0 into AC 0. So which is equal to 2 into minus AB minus ABC squared. So minus into minus plus A into A squared, B into B squared, already C squared, plus B squared A squared C squared is A squared B squared C squared. So A squared B squared C squared plus A squared B squared C squared, which is equal to 2 A squared B squared C squared. So already we are having 2 into 2 A squared B squared C squared, which is equal to 4 A squared B squared C squared. So therefore the determinant is determinant of A squared BC AC plus C squared, A squared plus AB B squared AC AB B squared plus BC C squared is equal to 4 A squared B squared C squared. Next question. Question number 4. Prove that determinant of 1 plus A 1 1 1 1 plus B 1 1 1 1 plus C is equal to A B C into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Now we have to prove that the value of this determinant is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Let us consider the given determinant. The determinant is determinant of 1 plus A 1 1 1 1 plus B 1 1 1 1 plus C. We are getting this determinant from R1 tends to R1 minus R2, R2 tends to R2 minus R3, where R1 is 1 plus A 1 1 minus R2 is minus 1 minus B minus 1, R1 minus R2, so 1 minus 1 minus 1 cancelled, so we get A. Next 1 minus B 1 minus 1 cancelled, minus b. 1 minus 1 cancelled, here 0. So R1, the first row is A minus B 0. The first row is A minus B 0. Next R2 tends to R2 minus R3. That is the second row where R2 is 1, 1 plus B 1. Minus R3 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 minus C. R2 minus R3 is plus 1 minus 1, so 0. Next plus 1 minus 1 cancelled B. 1 minus 1 cancelled, here minus C. So therefore R2 is 0, B minus C. R3 as it is 1, 1, 1 plus C. Expanding by R1, so we get which is equal to A into, the first element is A, so A into, eliminating first row and first column, so we get first row and first column, we get the determinant of B minus C 1, 1 plus C, minus next element is minus B into, so it is in first row second column, eliminating first row second column, we get determinant of 0 minus C 1, 1 plus C. Next element is plus 0. So A into determinant of B into 1 plus C. B into 1 plus C minus of minus is plus 1 into C is C. Minus into minus plus B into 0 into anything 0 minus. So already minus. So minus of minus plus 1 into C is C. So which is equal to A into B into 1 is B plus B into C BC plus C plus B into C BC. So that is A into B AB plus ABC plus AC plus BC. That is which is equal to, we rearrange the terms, ABC plus AB plus BC plus AC. So we are taking ABC as the common element. So we are taking ABC as the common element. The first term is 1 plus. So we are taking ABC is the common element. There is no C term. So 1 by C plus. Taking ABC as the common element. There is no A term. So 1 by A plus. We are taking ABC as the common. There is no B term. So 1 by B. So if you have any doubt means we can multiply and divide by ABC. So the whole term is multiply and divide by ABC. So multiplying ABC is taken outside, dividend term is get inside. So the whole term is divided by ABC, multiplied term ABC is keep outside. So ABC into, the whole term is divided by ABC means 1 plus AB divided by ABC 1 by C plus BC divided by ABC 1 by A plus AC divided by ABC 1 by B, which is equal to ABC into, we rearrange the terms 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So therefore the given determinant is determinant of 1 plus A 1, 1, 1 plus B 1, 1 plus C is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Next question. Prove that the determinant of secant square tan squared 1, tan square secant square minus 1, 38, 36, 2 is equal to 0. We have to prove the determinant of secant square theta tan square theta 1, tan square theta secant square theta minus 1, 38, 36, 2 is equal to 0. So let us consider the given determinant. We have to prove this determinant is equal to 0. So in first, in this determinant C1 tends to C1 minus C2, where C1 is equal to secant square theta tan square theta 38, that is C1, minus C2. Minus C2 is minus tan square theta minus secant square theta minus 36. C1 minus C2. So secant square theta minus tan square theta, tan square theta minus secant square theta, 38 minus 36, that is 2. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So tan square minus secant square, so reverse order, that is tan square minus secant square is minus 1. So this 2 as it is. So therefore the determinant becomes, the first column is 1, minus 1, 2. Second column as it is tan square theta, secant square theta 36. Third column as it is 1, minus 1, 2. So this determinant is equal to 0 since C1 and C3 are identical. So by the property, in a determinant, any two rows or any two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Once again, by the property, in a determinant, any two rows or any two columns are identical, then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. So therefore, this determinant is equal to 0 since C1 and C3 are identical. So therefore, the given determinant of secant square theta tan square theta 1, tan square theta secant square theta minus 1, 38, 36, 2 is equal to 0. Thank you.